Still ain't perfect. What's good, YouTube? As you can see, we just made it to the Camry at mom's house. We got some work scheduled today to do around the house. But while we got the car sitting here looking miserable, bro, I'm talking about looking nasty. Dangy. I'm talking about even the rotors just rusted, bro. Sitting on 2x4s, bro. I think we need to get the Camry some love, bro. What y'all think? I mean, the green look good in the sun, but she looking rough, bro. Let's get closer, bro. Come on now. Pollen, dirt, grime. I mean, we ain't fix her yet. And we ain't gonna fix her probably no time soon. Probably gonna be a couple weeks. But at least it can look good in the yard. I mean, come on now. What y'all think? So we got the pressure washer out. We got some soap, we got some water. We're gonna get some POVs in while washing the big cam. Alright. If you're new here, the transmission went out like I said, bro. And Toyota literally just had my car. Like, they just had it. I mean, they got the, still got the, anyway, still got the little sign in the window or whatever. And yeah, man, they just had it. They told me what was wrong with it, but they just had it 2 weeks prior to this happening. I'll look at Instagram again. They just told me 2 weeks ago that everything was cool when they had to fix my braking solenoid. So my brakes went out completely on this car. So if you have a 2018 Camry, please take it to the shop and make sure that warranty is still intact so you can get your braking system redid. Because I was going extremely fast and my brakes just turned into mush. Well, I ain't gonna say extremely fast. I mean, it's a fucking Camry, right? But I was speeding. Also funny, tires are brand new, bro. I don't know if you know anything about hand-cut tires, but they were kind of expensive. But it's cool. It's all right. When we get it up and running, we'll be back in action. So we'll use the tires. I mean, it's not going nowhere. Was looking to sell it at first. But, you know, I mean, look at her. Who could get rid of her? As you can see, this front bumper is taking a toll from the sun. So we gonna have to do probably a new bumper, repaint it. The front lip is messed up from the tow truck. And that's also why it's on 2x4s, because they couldn't get up under it, even though my car is not low at all. But yeah, man, I mean, they fucked up my bumper clips were fucked up. So I need a new front bumper. It looks good right here though. So we gonna wash it up, make it look presentable for my mom, because this is her house, not mine. I have a big ass hill. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the POV. Now I'm not sure if y'all from Mississippi, but bro, it is hot as fuck here. Super duper hot. But it was just cold literally a couple days ago. This is wild. All right, so we just got the car finished, washed, sprayed back off. We ain't gonna worry about drying because I mean, it is hot as fuck. Even if I pull out the fast drying tile, it's gonna be streaks. Just cause I mean it's gonna dry so fast already because of the sun. But a lot of people is probably gonna ask you, what is all I did to this Camry? How can I get my Camry like this? Whoop the whoop, right? So that's what we're gonna talk about. Alright, so as you can see with the Camry, we're gonna start up front, right? Alright. Obviously, the beautiful green wrap, right? Believe it or not, Amazon special. Swear to God. Front Japanese emblem, Yofa lower lip. We went gloss black on the front. As you can see, it's peeling up. Green eyelid, tinted side markers, Yofa fender flares or wide body, whatever you want to call it. The front end is full Yofa. We got the M3 style carbon fiber mirror caps. They are old as dirt. I got them when I first got the car. So they still look good. They got scratches and stuff from the car wash. Rain guards, gloss black trim. So as you know, this is usually chrome. It's been wrapped in gloss black. I want to say it's Avery. It's old as well. Like when I got the car, that's when I did it. This right here has peeled because of the sun, but it was gloss black as well. These are just overlays. Let me see. Drill and slided rotors, even though they're rusty. You just need to drive the car. HRS or High Rev Motorsports, whatever it's called. Caliper covers. I know they look like a big brake kit. It's not. Like I said, it's a Camry. It's not fast, bro. It's not. Looks good though. Rear end fender flares, Yofa as well. My splitter, I mean not my splitter. My side skirts are beat the fuck up right now. It came from the tow truck, and they are also fading. So I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, they were gloss black at first. They're not no more. eBay. That's it. Catback exhaust. That goes from the wide pipe all the way back. Actually includes a wide pipe because this was a single exhaust. So OBX all the way back. We got a rear diffuser, eBay, LED, tail lights. We got full catback exhaust. From the wide pipe all the way back. It actually comes with the wide pipe because this is originally a single exhaust. This is a dual exit now. 3-inch tips. We got I want to say it's an eBay diffuser. I want to say that's the first thing I bought when I got the car. I was being cheap. I'm not gonna lie. It's holding up. It's gloss black. Looks good. The wrap is peeling. Oh well. Tenants, what is it? Reflectors. I had the LED ones, but they were glitchy. So I just had tinted the OEM ones. We got LED tails with the light bar in the middle. So these are not factory. Okay. These are aftermarket. I'll show you the light up animation. Nighttime, so you can see how they actually look. We got a ducktail or duck bill. No, ducktail. You can tell by the cut. Ducktail rear spoiler. Also was one of my very first mods on the car when I first got it. As you can also see, we have a rear spat that is completely missing on this side. Don't know how that happened, but I'm going to blame the tow truck driver again for that one. Okay. But I want to say that's mostly it. Other than the exhaust, it has an AEM intake. That's it. That's completely it. We had a pedal commander on it. For some reason, I took it out when I had took it to Toyota, just so they don't try to void the warranty. But that's it, bro. It's not a lot. Really, it's the green wrap. Like, if I show you a picture of it all black, it still look like a regular car.
All right, guys. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video.
So the wrap is everything.
This is the last time of me driving the Camry.
It's two-tone.
As you can see, we got stars in the ceiling, carbon fiber,
we have
accents everywhere.
Vivid.
But yeah, that's it, man. It's very plain Jane. So
green wrap,
like, follow, subscribe.
Candy metallic. It kind of give off that hue of yellow or gold, and then green in the dark, and then when it get real dark outside, it looks like deep green.